My name is Michelle Hutt, and I'm the Executive Dean in the School of Science and Engineering Technology at Durham College. I'm sending you this virtual message to tell you a little bit more about why employers choose our graduates first and what makes our school the most advanced, innovative, and engaging place to be. Whether you're pursuing a diploma, fast track, graduate certificate, or degree program in the area of engineering and health technology, environmental resources and sciences, there are many ways for you to achieve your academic goals with us. Durham College's Oshawa and Whitby campuses are home to over 20 of our state-of-the-art world-class laboratories that focus on integrated and advanced manufacturing, automation, mechanical and non-destructive engineering, biotechnology and pharmaceutical sciences, civil, architecture, and environment, health and safety, to name only a few. In these labs, our students learn using advanced industry-grade equipment so that upon graduation, they have already done the jobs that they are being hired to do. I encourage you to take some time during our virtual open house to meet the very passionate and expert team of faculty, program coordinators, and staff who are interested in the success of our students. Welcome to Durham College.